presents Singapore, the Lion City. A teaser for you. Singapore is small, bright, multicultural, and packed with surprises. The best part? From nature trails to skyscrapers, theme parks to luxury labels, there's something for everyone. Fun fact, Singapore is a city-state, meaning it's both the country and the city. The A-listers of the map. 1. Marina Bay Sands. An icon of modern Singapore. Swim in the world's largest rooftop infinity pool. Walk along the Sky Park observation deck, and in the evening, watch the city lights sparkle like stars beneath you. 2. Gardens by the Bay. Step into cooled glass domes, wander among futuristic trees, and watch them come alive after dark. Must visits here: Super Tree Grove, Cloud Forest, Flower Dome, and Floral Fantasy. 3. Sentosa Island. White sand beaches, skyline luge, sky ride, cable car ride with ocean views, and theme parks that never run out of fun. Must visits here: Universal Studios Singapore, Sea Aquarium, Adventure Cove Water Park, and Wings of Time. 4. Singapore Zoo. Walk shaded trails, watch orangutans swing freely above, and spot white tigers cooling off by the water. Must visits here: River Wonders, Bird Paradise, and Fragile Forest. 5. Night Safari. Begin with the night safari, where you can watch animals move in their own habitats under the soft moonlight. Go with a guide or wander on your own if you're feeling adventurous. End your memorable night with a tram ride. Hidden gems of Singapore. 1. Pulau Ubin. Rustic trails, wooden houses, and mangroves that remind you of old Singapore. Don't forget kayaking here. 2. MacRitchie Reservoir. A nature escape with treetop walks and calm waters. 3. Ho Par Villa. This cultural park is filled with colorful statues, uniquely telling wild morale tales. 4. Southern Ridges. 10 kilometers of elevated walkways that wind through forest, gardens, and striking bridges. Bucket list stops. Don't miss these icons. 1. Singapore Botanic Gardens, a 160-year-old oasis home to swan-filled lakes, tropical orchids, and shaded lawns. 2. Suntec City, more than a mall, known for the famous Fountain of Wealth. 3. Chinatown, lantern-lined streets buzzing with food stalls, heritage temples, old shophouses, and cafes. 4. Little India. Explore the local spice shops, garland makers, and beautiful temples. Quick stops you will love. 1. Changi Airport. Part rainforest, with the world's tallest indoor waterfall at its heart. In fact, we recommend planning a 4 to 6 hour layover to explore its gardens, art, mall, and wonders. 2. East Coast Park. Cycling, barbecues, and breezy sea views. 3. Jurong Lake Gardens, lily ponds, and serene lake views. 4. Orchard Road. Shop the world's best luxury labels. 5. Clarke Quay brings the nightlife alive with riverside dining, live music, and neon lights. Don't forget to glide along the Singapore River aboard the Clarke Quay River Cruise for a memorable night. Voya Pro Tip. It's best to book the entrance tickets in advance or option for itineraries that provide them. If you found this tip interesting, follow our Instagram channel for more such travel hacks. Coming back to Singapore, photo-worthy corners. Jurong Lake Gardens, Merlion Photo Stop, Singapore Flyer, and Madame Tussauds. Once-in-a-lifetime experiences. Enjoy breakfast with orangutan at the zoo. Hawker hopping at Newton Food Centre, Maxwell, and Lau Pa Sat. Did you know Newton Food Centre was also featured in the movie Crazy Rich Asians? Taste and indulge. Local delights: chili crab, laksa, kaya toast, and satay. Vegetarian. While Singapore is known for its seafood delicacies, you'll still find hawkers and Indian restaurants serving hearty vegetarian options. Shopping and souvenirs. Singapore Sling Premix from Raffles Hotel. Peranakan beadwork and ceramics. Traditional spices and kaya jars. Orchid perfumes inspired by the national flower. Luxury labels from Chanel to Cartier. Travel like a pro. Best time to visit? Singapore is a year-round destination with warm tropical weather. How many days do you need? 5 to 6 days for highlights and 7 to 8 days for an immersive experience. How to get around? While Singapore's MRT and buses are excellent, nothing beats the ease and comfort of a private transfer. So, if you prefer to explore the city's charm at your own pace, opt for private vehicles like Voya provides. What to pack? Light, breathable clothes, comfy shoes for walking, and an umbrella. Pocket-friendly hacks. Eat at hawker centers for authentic and delicious meals. Still unsure? Chat with your Voya holiday manager and they'll plan a Singapore holiday just the way you've dreamt it. If you found our content informative, do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to stay tuned.